Hi boys and girls, for this activity you are going to be logging into Starfall on your iPad, and once you get there you are going to click on this button right here with the plus and the minus sign. Okay, so click on that. And once it opens, you're going to come down here and look for this game with the 10 and the 1s. So you're going to click on that game and it's going to open.
Order received. Pack 12 for Mox the Fox.
Okay, so it's telling you to pack 12. So once you get there, you need to click on these bundles. So this is a group of 10. And then you need 2 more. 2 1s. So you have 10 1s and 2 1s.
10. 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 12.
Okay, boys and girls, so you're going to continue to play this game and have fun. What I'd like you to do is set your timer for 10 minutes and have a great time practicing your 10s and your 1s.